Hello, I'm your host, the Chicken Man with Texas Precision Poultry. I'm here to explain when exactly is the right time to clean out a deep litter method of bedding. Researchers from the Ohio Research Station that did the original research of this method cleaned out their coops 1 or 2 times a year, in the spring or fall. However, if you clean in the fall, the heating action of the compost may not be in full effect during winter. At TPP, we always clean in spring, around our average last frost date. This way, we have a good idea that the weather will be warmer, and if I apply it to the fields or my garden, the microbes will be active and ready to utilize it. Depending on the type of coop you have, you may need to clean out more often. Examples would be if the bedding gets high enough that it spills out the door when you open it, or if it starts to cover the footer of your coop. And there's nothing wrong if you need to clean out more frequently. You will still get the same effect of the deep litter method. Of course, when tragedy happens like a disease or a flood in the coop, the bedding should be taken out and new should be freshly applied. That wraps it up. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments section, and don't forget to check out our social media accounts. Links are in the description below. Like the video and subscribe. I've been the Chicken Man with Texas Precision Poultry. For now, I bid you farewell, and encourage all to keep your hens happy and healthy.